Just look how cute these graduation Rocher treats turned out. All you need is some black cardstock, Rochers, some embroidery thread in whatever color you choose, a fork, sticky dots, a hole punch, scissors, and you also need a needle for the embroidery thread. So first we're going to make this mini tassel. Take your embroidery thread and wrap it around the fork about 5 to 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You want to hold your thread at the bottom, and you're going to take another piece of thread about 3 to 4 inches. You want to hold it with your thumb here, put it through here and back out. Now you're going to tie this up. Make a double knot. Now you can pull your little tassel through. Now just pull those ends down and cut them. Go through the loops and cut that. Now you're going to thread a needle and pass the thread through the top loops. Now you're going to want to tie it about an inch and a half above your tassel and trim. Now you're going to take your piece of cardstock and cut 1.5 inch square. Now make a hole with your hole punch. So now you have the top of your hat, your dot, your tassel, and your Rocher. All you need to do is take your Rocher and turn it upside down. Take a sticky dot and put it in the middle of your square. Put that right on top. Take another sticky dot and put it right in the middle. Now take your tassel and put it right on the sticky dot right here. And now your black dot, put that right on top to finish it. And there you go, a cute graduation Rocher chocolate treat. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there!